Hi kids, welcome to Kids Craft Studio 8. Before we started the video, like, share and subscribe our channel. Guess the vehicle. Tis is a truck. Guess the vehicle. It's school bus. Guess the vehicle. This a car. Guess the vehicle. Motorcycle. Guess the vehicle. Bicycle. Guess the vehicle. This is ambulance. Guess the vehicle. It's police car. Guess the vehicle. Fire truck. Guess the vehicle. This is train. Guess the vehicle. This is metro. Guess the vehicle. This is a helicopter. Guess the vehicle. This is an aeroplane. Guess the vehicle. This is a submarine. Guess the vehicle. This is an army truck. Guess the vehicle. It's a tractor. Guess the vehicle. This is auto rickshaw. Guess the vehicle. This is taxi. Guess the vehicle. This is ship. Guess the vehicle. This is bulldozer. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.